In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to exit DFU mode on iPhone 8 Plus. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. If you want to exit out of DFU mode on your iPhone 8 Plus, you will need to force restart your device. So to do a force restart, all that you have to do is quickly press and release the volume up button, quickly press and release the volume down button, and then press and hold the side button until the Apple logo appears. So once again, from step 1 towards step 3, quickly press and release the volume up, quickly press and release the volume down, and then press and hold the side button until you see the Apple logo. The iPhone should now boot normally. So this is going to be the main and usually the only way to exit out of DFU mode. You should be able to access your iPhone after it boots up normally. However, if you are still encountering issues after trying to exit out of DFU mode, you may need to connect your iPhone to your computer and use iTunes or Finder on a Mac to restore or update your device. So, if forced restarting is not working by using volume up, volume down, and then pressing the side button, connect your iPhone to your computer with a lightning cable. Once this is done, open iTunes or Finder on a Mac and follow the on-screen instructions. Usually you will be prompted to restore or update your device and you just have to follow accordingly. After this process is done, you will be able to exit out of DFU mode just like you would with a forced restart. If this also doesn't work, or you are unable to open Finder or iTunes to manage your device by connecting it with a lightning cable to your PC, then the best course of action is going to be to contact the Apple support if you are still unable to resolve this issue. Usually this is something that you can do on your own, and forced restarting is going to be the go-to method to exit out of DFU mode. But if it doesn't work, you try out the lightning cable and it also doesn't function, then it could be another hardware issue that you have to contact the Apple support for. I hope I was able to help you on how to exit DFU mode iPhone 8 Plus. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.